unveiled at the Chengdu Auto Show, is a mid-term facelift model. The new car mainly upgrades the appearance and interior. From the appearance, the new car adopts a new family-style air intake grille style, with X inside-shaped chrome trim. There are two lenses in the headlight group, which are connected to the grille. The shape of the fog lamp areas on both sides also adopts a new style. On the side of the body, it still adopts the design of a coupe SUV, with a black roof design, and the new car is also equipped with 20-inch wheels, with a tire size of 235/45/20. At the rear of the vehicle, the new Tayron X adopts the design of through-type taillights. The brand logo and the exclusive English name Tayron X are embedded, and the lower surround is also decorated with a total of 4 exhaust outlets on both sides. In terms of interior, the biggest change in the entire interior is the upgraded 12-inch central control screen, equipped with IQ Light Intelligent Lighting Interaction, IQ Drive Intelligent Driving Butler, Harman Kardon Premium Brand Audio System, and 30-color adjustable interior atmosphere lights. Weight. The seats are designed with black and white double spelling and diamond-shaped stitching, showing a certain sense of luxury. In terms of power, the new car will provide a 2.0 TSI high and low power engine, with a maximum power of 186 horsepower and 220 horsepower respectively. And the transmission system is matched with a 7-speed wet dual-clutch gearbox. Thanks for watching, and leave your comments below.